Today I'm going to walk you through a sample client dashboard. For each client, we customize the dashboard to reflect their specific campaign structure, targeting strategy, and KPIs. Across the top of the dashboard, you'll see the available reporting tabs. The tab you're currently viewing is identified by the orange text. In this sample, we've included Summary, Package, List, Geo, Industry, Informed Delivery, and PostReminder. Each tab also includes a list of filters. Once a filter is applied, it will remain active across all tabs until it is removed. For example, filtering to a specific package will update the metrics, tables, and charts throughout the entire dashboard to reflect only that package. We can also do things such as filtering to one campaign or multiple campaigns. This is especially helpful for clients who mail continuously and want to evaluate individual campaign results and combine performance over time. This band below represents the top-line metrics. It will be shown across all tabs and provides a consistent reminder of the campaign's overall performance. This first tab is the Summary tab. It provides an overall view of the campaign performance. For most clients, this tab includes standard direct mail metrics such as leads, customers or approvals, response rates, conversion rates, and campaign cost metrics. You'll also see these line charts on the side that will track performance throughout the campaign period, such as this decline in CAC, the accumulation of leads, and the accumulation of approvals. In this example, we've shown this extra pie chart to show the entities for this specific client. On this pie chart, the exterior of the pie chart shows us the different approval statuses, while the inside shows us the percent of each entity that was in an approval. Each chart will have hovering tooltips. By hovering over any specific point or section of the chart, you can view exact metrics that are associated with that data. This is also true for any of the line charts that show you specific instances in time, or for the CAC chart that can show you when you hit a specific goal. The next tab we'll look at is the Package tab. This tab focuses on the creative formats that are used within each campaign. In this example, the client mailed 2 letter packages. The first package served as a control, while the second was introduced as a test package to compare against the control. As with the Summary tab, each chart includes hoverable tooltips that display specific metrics for each chart. Some have more metrics that are shown behind the table, just as like a sample chart. In this instance, it shows CAC, but also the total cost and the number of approvals. Below is a table. This is the first table of the dashboard. All tables are scrollable either vertically or horizontally when more information is shown. Tables are also filterable by any of the titles. Simply click on the title for it to filter, and if you click a third time, it will return to whatever the set filter was to begin with. Tables can also be downloaded by clicking these 3 dots in the top right corner. Simply click Download and choose the format you would like to download by. The next tab we'll look at is the List tab. This tab provides a detailed view of campaign performance by specific data selects and audience segments that were targeted. In this B2B example, the charts are showing you performance of customer acquisition cost by both the main selects and the employee size. For a B2B client, these are standard metrics to show. Other things that can be shown are titles or annual revenue. For a B2C client, the charts could instead reflect fields such as household income, gender, age range, or any other demographics or characteristics that are provided in the data. Below the chart is a table showing the complete breakdown of targeted data selects and their corresponding performance metrics. At the bottom of the table, you could possibly see an arrow to scroll. In this instance, it is still a scrollable table with this vertical bar. Again, the table is filterable by title and downloadable by these 3 dots. The next tab we'll show is the Geo tab. On this tab, it is identified to see any geographic areas that have stronger or weaker campaign performance. At the top of the page, we have a heat map. In this example, darker colors represent states with lower customer acquisition costs. This metric displayed on the map can be customized based on what is most important to the client. For example, the map could instead show response rates, lead volume, or even customer volume. Below the map are 2 tables, the first showing performance by state, the second showing performance by DMA. Also, these tables remain filterable and downloadable by the 3 dots. The next tab is Industry. This is specifically available for B2B clients. This tab provides a more detailed breakdown of campaign targeting and performance by 2-digit and 4-digit SIC codes. Because multiple SIC codes can be grouped together within a single campaign select, this tab provides a more complete view of the industries that were included in the mailing and how each industry actually performed. As with the other tables through the dashboard, the table can be downloaded using the available controls. This tab is the Informed Delivery tab. It's available for clients that are enrolled in Informed Delivery. The tab compares the performance of records associated with Informed Delivery against records that were not mailed with Informed Delivery. This allows clients to evaluate whether recipients have received a digital preview of the mail paste demonstrate a different response or conversion behavior than those that did not. Again, the table is filterable and downloadable, with some extra tooltips here on breakdowns of status. The last tab we'll look at is the PostReminder tab. PostReminder is an optional enhancement available for direct mail campaigns. PostReminder tracks the activity associated with the QR code included on the mail piece. This includes unique QR scans, visits to the PostReminder experience, click-through actions, and reminders scheduled for future dates. The chart at the top here is showing you the different unique visitors per date, as well as the click-through actions per date. There is also a heat map included, again with the darker color showing more activity and the lighter color showing lighter activity. The bottom includes a nice table that shows you by package how the PostReminder scans performed. Again, the table can be filtered and also downloaded. This concludes the overview of the sample dashboard. While specific tabs, metrics, and visualizations may vary by client, the dashboard is designed to be both a high-level view of campaign performance and give you the ability to see the results and explore in greater detail through filters, interactive charts, and downloadable tables. Thank you.